Have you ever felt like your life is out of control? Like chaos is ruling your days? And success feels impossible? What if I told you that one simple habit, discipline, can turn that chaos into unstoppable success? Today, I'll show you how discipline can reshape your destiny. One step at a time. The chaos, voice over emotion, frustration, confusion. Meet Alex. Alex's life was full of chaos. He woke up late, missed deadlines, and felt trapped in a loop of regret. Every day felt heavy, and he wondered, why can't I just get my life together? So realization, voice over emotion, awakening, slight hope. One night, Alex looked in the mirror and admitted the truth. He realized that success wasn't about luck. It was about habits. And right now, his habits were controlling him. It's not the other way around. The decision, voice over emotion, determination. Alex made a decision. He decided that chaos would no longer define him. He would take control. He would embrace discipline, even if it was hard. The struggle asterisk, voice over emotion, challenge tension. The first week was brutal. Waking up early felt impossible. Saying no to distractions hurt. Old habits screamed at him to quit. But he remembered. Discipline is built one small victory at a time. Small wins, voice over emotion, encouragement, hope. Alex started winning small battles. He made his bed every morning. He planned his day. Each small win gave him strength. Slowly, the chaos started losing its grip. Facing temptations, voice over emotion, tension in a conflict. Temptations didn't stop. Netflix, social media, and procrastination called to him. But Alex remembered his promise. His future was bigger than any moment of comfort today. The turning point, voice over emotion, excitement, motivation. Then came a breakthrough. Alex realized that discipline wasn't punishment. It was freedom. Every time he chose focus over laziness, he felt more alive, more powerful, more in control. Building momentum, voice over emotion, energy, confidence. Alex's days began to flow with purpose. He followed routines, tracked progress, and honored his commitments. Momentum built. Each day he practiced discipline. Success edged closer. The first achievement, voice over emotion, pride, joy. Months later, Alex completed a project he had been delaying for years. The feeling was indescribable. Discipline had transformed frustration into accomplishment. Discipline in relationships, voice over emotion, reflection. Discipline didn't stop at work. Alex applied it to his relationships. He listened more, communicated better, and became dependable. People started noticing the change. Overcoming setbacks, voice over emotion, resilience, courage. Not everything went perfectly. Some days were hard. Mistakes happened. But Alex didn't quit. Discipline taught him to stand up, learn, and keep moving forward.
Mastery of time, voice over emotion, calm control. Time was no longer an enemy. Alex planned, prioritized, and protected his hours. Discipline gave him control over his life, turning chaos into calm, purpose, and productivity.
Seeing growth, voice over emotion, amazement, gratitude. As months passed, Alex looked back. He saw how far he had come. He realized that discipline wasn't just about doing more. It was about becoming better, stronger, and unstoppable, inspiring others. Voice over emotion. Passion, inspiration. Alex's transformation inspired others. Friends and family noticed his dedication, energy, and calm. Discipline had not only changed him, it created ripples of positive change in the lives of others. The destiny. Voice over emotion. Triumph. Empowerment. Today, Alex is no longer a victim of chaos. He is the master of his destiny. He knows that discipline is not about restriction, but about unlocking the life he always dreamed of. And so can you. Remember this. Chaos does not define you. Laziness does not control you. Every day, with small choices, with discipline, you have the power to change your life. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your destiny transform. The life you dream of is waiting. If you have the courage to choose discipline over comfort,